Let's look at how to hide email recipients in Gmail. Sending a single email to multiple recipients using Gmail is an effective way to reach a large number of people. However, it is necessary to protect the privacy of email recipients. An undisclosed recipient is one whose email address is visible only to the sender. Nobody else on the email list, including your primary recipient, CC'd recipients, and fellow BC'd recipients, will be able to read the details of an unnamed recipient. Step 1. Open Gmail and click Compose. Step 2. Type undisclosed recipients in the to field of the new message, followed by your own email address within angle brackets. Step 3. Click the BCC button in the message window. Step 4. In the BCC field, type in the email addresses of the recipients who will be hidden. Separate addresses by using a comma, a space, or by pressing Enter on your keyboard. Step 5. Continue composing the email as usual. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.